Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. If you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So make sure you do follow us on Telegram because there we are looking to take about one or two trades which we've shared about free signal on the channel. So if you are not yet on Telegram, I will advise you open one and then follow us on Telegram. You will find the link in the comment section. Now back to this our analysis on USD JPY. So let's start with the full trend line with the full movement. This movement is around 2020. You can see that USD JPY clearly this is a downtrend move. So price has literally been dropping to the downside. Now let's see what this current movement is literally saying. So we kind of had like a double top around this level, which means price will reverse since it is going up and get double top, then it's reverse to the downside. So right now price is now giving us that drop to the downside. So right, if you take a look at this movement here on your AUD USD, you can see that it is kind of like a choppy move, right? So we would at least be expecting this drop to take out this lows, at least, or to come tap this lows. So basically, we still have a little bit of a drop to be made on USD JPY before maybe a potential movement to the upside will play out. But right now, USD JPY, AUD USD is dropping. So we should see it drop to a level of 0.61. Currently, we are trading at 0.63. So at least we should drop to level of 0.61 or a level of 0.62. But I believe we will get to a level of 0.61. Then maybe if it will give us it will break the lows and continue with the down movement, or we might start seeing this bullish move to the upside. Anyone, just keep your eyes on AUD USD. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram. You will find the link in the comment section.